Okay, those of you who have been following me with my house build and everything else, I do everything twice. So I tried putting patio pavers in, didn't work because I framed it incorrectly. So my next attempt is mixing concrete and putting that color in. I don't know, a dye, whatever you want to call it. I have these forms. 60-pound bag, didn't fill them all, so I think I needed 80, so I have that extra. And here's the 5 that I filled. I'm going to let these sit. And on the other side, it should look like slate. Let me give you a quick peek. So it should look kind of like slate. I'm going to go ahead and fit those in here. Obviously, I'll have to cut some to make them fit, and more to come. That's the latest update. Just a quick short video. All right, thanks.